Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and tools. Power it down and use the model-specific button combo to enter recovery or fast boot. This avoids a full wipe. Connect to a PC with ADB and the correct OEM drivers so you can push commands. Once connected, confirm the device ID with a DB devices or fast boot devices. This ensures communication. Make sure battery is sufficient and use a stable USB port. Poor connection causes interrupted operations and can worsen the loop. Next, you diagnose and repair system components. Pull logs with a DB logcat and inspect boot errors to identify failing services or corrupt libraries. Clear cache and Dalvik cache from recovery to remove stale compiled code. This often fixes startup crashes. If a specific app or library is to blame, uninstall it via a DB shell PM uninstall or move it out of /data/app. When needed, reflash only the system or vendor partition with a map. Finally, you complete the recovery and verify success. Reboot the device normally and watch the boot sequence. If it proceeds, install one update at a time to avoid reintroducing the fault. If it still loops, reflash the stock boot and recovery images or use a rollback to the last known good build. This often restores bootable state. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to test for third-party app causes, and consult logs with a DB to decide the next precise action.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.